How to play with your friends in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is install Parsec and open it up and sign in with your account and sign up for one if you don't have an account already. And all of your friends need to do the same, install the app and sign in. And then you will need to pick which PC is going to be the host, the one that is running the game or whatever you're doing, and the other friends are going to be connecting to that host or PC. To do that, you will need to go to the settings and then the host section and make sure the hosting enabled is set to enabled in the host PC. And also make sure the host is connected to the internet and it's online. Now, all you need to do in the host PC is invite your friends. You can add them to your friends list by clicking on add friend and searching for them by name or ID, or you can go to computers tab, click on the share button and then copy this link from the host PC and send it to your friends via Discord or any other app that you're using for communication. And now your friends need to take this link, copy it, and then paste it on this box on the right bottom side, and then press the join button to join the host PC. And then they should have the permissions to use the keyboard, the mouse, or the controller. Now all you need to do in the host PC is open up the game that you're trying to play with your friends. So you can open up Steam or whatever game you're trying to play and launch the game. Now your friends should be able to see the game running on the host if they are already connected. And they should be able to control and interact with the game in real time. Now to get the best performance and latency, you will need to use a wired internet instead of the Wi-Fi on your host computer. And you might also need to lower the resolution or the bit rate if it is lagging on your friends' computers or the clients by going to the settings and then go to the client tab and scroll down until you find the decoder. Make sure to set that to NVIDIA. Now go back to the host tab and scroll down a little bit till you find the bandwidth limit. Try to increase that to 25 and make sure you set the resolution to use client resolution. And now you should be good to go to start using the Parsec and play the game with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.